Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has moved the Delhi High Court challenging his arrest by CBI in connection with the excise policy case. Kejriwal has also challenged the Delhi court's June 26th order that sent him to 3-day custody. Of course, latest developments there coming in at this point of time as far as Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. My colleague Shubh Rana with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Shubh, Arvind Kejriwal has moved Delhi High Court challenging his arrest by CBI in connection with the now scrapped excise policy scam and case. If you could take our viewers to the latest developments that are coming in.
Yes, definitely, Asavri. In a big move by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, he have moved to Delhi High Court against the arrest by CBI, and he have approached the court over the case registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation, where he have said that in relation to excise policy scam, he have knocked the doors of High Court, also challenged June 26 order that sent him to 3-day custody. And on Saturday after Kejriwal, 3-day custody ended, the Delhi High Court have sent him to judicial custody till July 12, saying his name had surfaced as one of the main conspirators in the excise policy case. And the agency have also sought 14-day judicial custody, claiming that Arvind Kejriwal didn't cooperate in the probe and gave evasive replies. And so that the agency has said that Kejriwal might influence witnesses. But in a big move by the Chief Minister, he have knocked down the doors of Delhi High Court. And it would be interesting to note that what further course of action and what decision would be taken by the Delhi High Court on this matter.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.